Okay, so the way I do my end date changes for individual students is I go to Tools, and then I go to Assignments, and then I click on the assignment that I want. So I'm just going to use this first one here. And you just click on the drop down arrow here and then go to Edit Assignment, and then you wait. Then you go to Restrictions, and then you wait. And then you need to make sure that you click where it says allow only users with special access to see this folder. And that's the default is right here, allow users with special access. But I click the bottom one, and then I click on add users. And then I change my end date here. And then down here, you can just pick whatever students. I'm not going to actually pick anybody because I don't want this extended out. But you can pick anybody from here. And once you click next to their name, it will automatically do that. So let me see if I can find so you can kind of see it. And then you just click save. And when you click save, you'll see that this student has the availability, so you can see which students that you've added and when the end dates are. So that's how I do it. If you have any questions, feel free just to reach out to me. I don't mind making a session, like going into a Zoom or something and helping you out.